In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can address one of the biggest issue and challenge all the beginners face during their freelance journey. Here in this video, I'll share with you how you can show your portfolio to your clients if you are just new and you don't have really huge portfolio, and where you can get your few portfolio to show to your clients so that you can get more projects. Alright, so let's start with the video. My name is Manoj Chauhan and I'm a full-time freelancer, and in this channel I help you how you can start your freelancing journey as well. Okay, so when I started, I also don't have, like, when I started my freelancing journey, I don't have like huge portfolio, but now I have a portfolio and which I can easily showcase, and now I get projects easily as well. But I understand you are new and you don't have huge portfolio, and what you can do to get portfolio I'll be sharing in this video. First thing you can do, like, if you are doing a job and or you have done a job in your past, then you can use your old company's projects as your portfolio. There's thing always keep in mind, do not share the complete detail about the project in your portfolio. For example, I do SEO, so I only share screenshot of Google Analytics and Search Console and hide all the details like project name and all the business details which clients may not like to disclose. For example, if you do web designing or website development, then you can use you can take the screenshot of the website you have built. You can hide the name and or business name and address which clients do not want to share, or maybe old company has a non-disclosure agreement. So always keep that in mind before you start using your company's portfolio as your own. So this is the first thing you can do, and I have done this personally and I have seen really great results by doing this. So first thing you can do this, and another thing I suggest you to work on projects for lower price and bring the results, and then you can use those projects as your own personal portfolio. For example, you can build WordPress website for like cheap, then you can use those projects as your own personal portfolio. This will really help you, really help the starters. If they don't have done any job in past, then you can do this. You can work for cheap. You can easily find cheap clients. There's like so many clients who are looking for work done for lower price, so you can use a Fiverr of work to get projects. All right, this is the second tip. And the third tip you can do is you can create your own website and something your own. For example, you can, if you are doing web designing, then you can design website for yourself, or you can design a blog, anything. Then you can showcase that thing, or you can you can help your website get traffic, and you can showcase that as well. So if I talk about myself, I used to have a blog. I bring in the traffic, organic traffic through to my blog, and I have, for many years I have used my blog as a portfolio, and which really helped me get clients reply and really build that trust. So you can use these three tips, and these three will definitely going to help you and help you get clients. Do let me share if you found any of these tips helpful, and subscribe for more videos like this. So thank you.